Well, motovlog number 2. So doing something different this time. I've got a new camera, well, new as in used camera, Insta360 X3. So that's what you're seeing right now, and I'll probably just do a little flipperoo while I'm talking about this, just going, hello. I'm on my way to the movies again. You might think I'm a movie holic at this point, however, a movie popped up that I just couldn't resist to go to. So 28 Years Later is coming out in about a week or so. So my local Cineworld is doing a special viewing of 28 Days Later and 28 Weeks Later. And it was booked out immediately because nobody got to see this cult classic in the cinema. But it finally popped up there just a couple of hours ago that there was a free seat. It's in the front row, but I'm going for it. I'm not missing the opportunity to see this classic in the cinema. This is also serving as a test for the Insta360 X3. I'm fairly happy with the GoPros now at the moment. However, I've seen motovloggers using the X3 and using it to great effect, and it makes it much easier because I'm able to get shots of my face and I'm able to get shots of the road ahead of me. So that's something brilliant, and I'm able to tilt the camera as well, so if I'm pointing at something or looking at something, I can turn the camera to match. So some of my favorite YouTubers actually do utilize them. Not sure if I'm going to utilize them or not. It depends on how well it edits, or how well I'm able to edit it, because I don't think I'll use the Insta360 software to make the videos, although I kind of have to render the overall video. So I'll probably render it in the 360 Studio, then import it into Vegas Pro and make the movie from there. The fluff thing fell off, or the windbreaker. So I'm not sure what the audio is going to be like now, so I'll try and tone it down. There shouldn't be much wind anyway. So lesson learned, I tried a different setup with the microphone as well, and I also turned down the decibel level, but I don't really know how they're working because I've never tested them. But as you just saw, the thing just flew off and it was actually rubbing against my chin, which was irritating the heck out of me. There we go. Okay, there's a bunch of people here, but that's fine. I should be able to get parked here. Alright, on our way home. Pretty much taking the same route, but I'm going to spice it up a little bit. Oh, I saw a fox.